Hello students, welcome to our social science online education system of Ashadeep International School. Today we will continue our social science subject with the new chapter, and that is chapter number 15, Economic Development. Students, this chapter is having a good weightage in your final board exam also, and here today we are going to discuss about it in a little bit depth in an easy manner, so you will get a better understanding. So today we will discuss first introduction of the chapter in a simple easy way. Second, most important thing, that what is economic development exactly in the language of economics. Yes, it is important. And one of the important another concept, that is difference between economic progress and economic development. It is one of the important aspect of this chapter, this difference between economic progress and economic development. It can be asked in exam for somewhat around 3 marks. Okay, so let's begin our session with the introduction. Students, generally in the morning when we start our day, right? So each and every individual starts their day in a different manner. Why? Each and every individual is living a life with the different kind of resources with them. हर एक आदमी जो अपनी ज़िंदगी जी रहा है, उन हर एक के पास जो रिसोर्सेस है, उनका घर कहो, बिजनेस, इनकम, प्रॉपर्टी, ये हर एक के पास अलग अलग है. यू विल सी अ फ्यू नंबर ऑफ पीपल इन अ सोसाइटी. आप कुछ गिने चुने लोगों को सोसाइटी में देख सकते हो. दोज हु हैव अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी विद देम. टेक ए एग्जांपल ऑफ अ बिलियनियर्स, मुकेश अंबानी, बिग सेलिब्रिटीज ऑफ बॉलीवुड एंड हॉलीवुड. दे हैव अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी विद देम एंड दे लिव अ वेरी लग्जरियस लाइफ. एक आलिशान जिंदगी वो जी रहे होते. एट द सेम टाइम ऑन द अपोजिट साइड, सोसाइटी में मोर देन 80% लोग ऐसे हैं जिनके पास बड़ी मुश्किल से अपने 2 या 3 वक्त के खाने का अरेंजमेंट करना भी मुश्किल हो रहा हो. सो देर इज़ अ बिग मास ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन ऑन द अदर साइड हु इज़ हार्डली एबल टू सेटिस्फाई देयर मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट इवन दो दे स्ट्रगल फॉर द होल डे. वो पूरे दिन मेहनत करते हैं, तब बड़ी मुश्किल से कुछ घरों में चूल्हा जलता है. So the different section of the society or a people lives a different kind of life. You can take an example, a beggar who is living on a footpath, है ना, जो पर्सन और जो बंदा फुटपाथ पे रह रहा है, and his imagination, उसका कोई सपना हो कि yes one day I should have a very big bungalow. तो तुम्हें क्या ये लगता है कि ये उसकी जो इमेजिनेशन है या उसका ये जो सपना है वो कभी पूरा होगा? नो, it is very much next to impossible. So maximum people of the world are seen struggling for existence. ज़्यादातर लोग अपनी मिनिमम से मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी करने के लिए स्ट्रगल करते हुए पाए जाते हैं. एंड वेरी फ्यू लिव्स अ लाइफ फुल ऑफ materialistic pleasure. They having all the arrangements in their life. For these people who are called poor, physical pleasure, well-being और resting is an imagination only. और मैंने आपको कहा वैसे कि जो लोग अपने 2 वक्त के खाने के लिए भी बहुत स्ट्रगल करते हैं, उनको हम पुअर ही कहेंगे, राइट? सो उनके लिए आराम करना, एक लग्जरियस लाइफ जीना, ये सब क्या है? इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ इमेजिनेशन. ओके, सो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट का मतलब हर एक पर्सन के लिए अलग अलग होता है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द काइंड ऑफ लाइफ ही इज लिविंग इन अ करंट टाइम. आज वो कैसी लाइफ जी रहा है, उसके हिसाब से वो अपने डेवलपमेंट की डेफिनेशन या मीनिंग अलग तरीके से बताएगा. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट बेसिकली विद द 2 एग्जाम्पल व्हाट आई हैव पेस्टेड हियर. सी इन अपसाइड फोटोग्राफ, हियर द चाइल्ड इज हार्डली मैनेजिंग अ फूड. एक छोटा बच्चा है जो बड़ी मुश्किल से खाना ढूंढ रहा है कहीं कूड़े कचरे में से. एट द सेम टाइम देर इज अनदर चाइल्ड हूँ फ्रॉम अ वेल वर्स्ड फैमिली. दूसरी ओर एक छोटा बच्चा है जो एक अच्छी खासी फैमिली से लग रहा है और वो लैपटॉप से तो खेल रहा है. दैट मीन्स वन साइड वी हैव अ सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी हु इज स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर द बेसिक फूड, और दूसरी ओर एक ऐसा सेक्शन है जो अपनी लाइफ को फुल्ली एंजॉय कर रहे हैं विद ऑल द लग्जरियस आइटम विद देम. उनके पास जिंदगी जीने के लिए हर साजो सामान अवेलेबल हो वैसा. Let's moving further. Meaning of economic development. Now development. It is not confined to economic development only. See, development is not a very restricted word. It is a very vast word. Right? Development in a dictionary meaning keep on developing yourself. अपने आप को डेवलप करते रहना. It is called as a development. So it is not a one time process. It is a continuous process. Right? And it is a process of social change having many phases. That means over the period of time the development must lead to a great change in the overall social structure of the economy. देश के पूरे सामाजिक ढांचे में, दैट मीन्स सोशल इकोनॉमी में पूरा एक मेजर चेंज आना चाहिए. देन वी कैन टर्म इट एज अ डेवलपमेंट. This is the basic meaning of word development. Now let's see our main term, that is the economic development. Economic development normally can be termed as constant increase in national income of a country. Yes, compared to the last year, if your national income, that means a country's overall income from all the section of the economy. Economy में जितने भी सेक्टर्स है, लाइक प्राइमरी सेक्टर, सेकेंडरी सेक्टर, टर्चरी सेक्टर, उस हर एक से आने वाली इनकम को जब आप प्लस कर दो, व्हेन यू ऐड ऑल दीज इनकम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सेक्शन, यू विल गेट द नेशनल इनकम. राइट? इफ दैट नेशनल इनकम्स कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग year after year, you can say that yes, you are on the path of economic development. Okay, so there should be constant increase in national income over the period of years in a country. Here see that first picture, slowly gradually the income is rising, right? The graph is on the upward side, the prices and the pillar of the coin is growing. That shows that yes, the national income of a country is rising. Now let's understand very perfect meaning of economic development, that what is economic development. Students, as it is mentioned here, the economic development is related with the national income of a country, right? And they also said there should be constant increase in national income. And I also told you, over the years the national income of the country should show a positive growth. So let's understand the proper meaning of economic development. First, economic development means constant increase in national income of a country, as I told you, with the constant पैसेज ऑफ टाइम. जैसे जैसे समय बीते, साल बीतते जाए, आपकी नेशनल इनकम प्लस होके बढ़नी ही चाहिए. दैट इज मस्ट. ओके. सेकेंड थिंग, एज द नेशनल इनकम इज ग्रोइंग, राइट? सो इंडिविजुअल इनकम ऑफ अ person living in a nation also should grow. That means there should be growth in a per capita income. देश में रहने वाले लोगों की इनकम भी बढ़ेगी. क्यों? क्योंकि नेशनल इनकम बढ़ रही है, राइट? So second important aspect is increase in per capita income. Per capita income means per head income. Each and every individual की income में change दिखना चाहिए, and that change should be positive side or on a upward side. Then as the national income is growing, as the per capita income is growing, डेफिनेटली जो ज़्यादा पैसे लोगों के पास एज अ इनकम के रूप में आ रहे हैं, विद दैट ग्रोइंग इनकम दे विल स्टार्ट लिविंग अ बेटर लाइफ. दे विल स्टार्ट डिमांडिंग बेटर क्वालिटी गुड्स, better quality services, and that will help them to change their lifestyle, or we can say that they will change their standard of living. Change in living standard of the people also will improve because of growth in a income. So these all factors when satisfied together, we can term it as a economic development. So in the exam you can be asked a 2-mark question that what is economic development. So these all points which is there on your screen, you have to write. It is very easy to remember, right? Here also this curve is growing upward side, and as it is mentioned in the very first point, constant increase in national income of a country. Let's move on to the other aspects. Total income of the country is called national income. Yes, all the individuals, those who are working in a different section of the economy, हर section में काम करने वाले लोग, those who are indulged in primary sector, those who are indulged in a different branches of secondary sector, different branches of tertiary sector, when you add the income of all these individuals, or when you add the income of all these different sector of the economy, you will get the national income. So we can say that total income of the country is called as national income. It is an objective type question, can be asked in exam for 1 marks. Now per capita income, that was the second point in economic development, that is a increase in per capita income of a country. So what is PCI exactly? Per capita income is when you divide the total income of the country with the total population of the country, we can obtain per capita income. It is very simple. The national income of the country should be divided with the total population of the country, and you will have your PCI, per capita income, or you can say per head income. Students, you must keep in mind that per capita income is an average income. It is an average income, क्योंकि जब हम पर कैपिटा इनकम फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो इकोनॉमी में जो सबसे रिचेस्ट पर्सन है वो और जो सबसे पुअरेस्ट पर्सन है वो, उन सभी की इनकम को ऐड करके डिवाइड किया जाता है. So that will show that rich will come little bit down, he will be shown a little bit lower with the income, और जो poor person होगा उसकी इनकम ज़्यादा दिखेगी. Why? It is an average of all the individuals income. हर एक की इनकम को पहले साथ में जोड़कर फिर उसे डिवाइड किया जा रहा है. So you also keep in a mind that a per capita income is an average income. Okay? As the national income is growing, the per capita income is growing. The third point was that change in lifestyle of the people. As because the growing income, the people will start obtaining better food, better clothes, they will start providing better education to their children. वो अपने बच्चों को अच्छी स्कूलों में पढ़ाने लगेंगे. They will start taking the proper health services from the better hospitals and a healthcare center. They will start enjoying good transportation facility. They will start living in a good shelter compared to their earlier period. जैसे जैसे इनकम बढ़ेगी, आपके और मेरे साथ भी ये हो सकता है. जब हमारी इनकम बढ़ेगी तो डेफिनेटली हम जिन चीज़ों को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, जो भी गुड्स और सर्विसेज हम एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, वी विल स्टार्ट यूजिंग more better goods and services than what we were using earlier because of increase in income. So these all can be seen here. So per capita income बढ़ने की वजह से, while living standard includes the facility like obtaining better food, clothes, education, health services, transportation services and shelter. As I told you, with the advancement of इनकम, ज़्यादा इनकम बढ़ने की वजह से हम इन सभी चीज़ों के पीछे ज़्यादा पैसे खर्च करने लगेंगे, एंड दैट विल लीड टू बेटर लाइफस्टाइल. Because of increase in national income and per capita income in India after the independence, there has been improvement in services and facilities such as availability of the food grains, clothes, electricity, education, health services, etc. Yes, it is a very big fact. Over the period of time since independence, right, the government is putting a huge amount of efforts to develop the economy. Government independence के बाद से specially by using the 5-year planning method, every year in the annual budget, government try to give their maximum efforts to improve different branches of economy. इकोनॉमी के ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सेक्टर्स को एनुअल बजट में ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल बैकअप देकर डेवलप करने की वो कोशिश कर रहे हैं. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, आफ्टर द इंडिपेंडेंस फ्रॉम 1951 और टुडे 2020 वी आर, आज सिनेरियो बहुत अलग हो चुका है. वी हैव इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट. हमारी नेशनल इनकम भी बहुत बड़ी है, पर कैपिटा इनकम भी बहुत बड़ी है, एंड वी आर लिविंग अ वेरी गुड हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल. As above mentioned, requirements are fully fulfilled easily in a better way as compared to the past. So we may say that economic development is taking place in India. Yes, it is true. So the question can be asked in exam that how we can say that economic development is taking place in India. हम कैसे ये कह सकते हैं कि इंडिया में भी इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है? सो द पॉइंट्स विच इज देयर ऑन योर स्क्रीन पे जितने भी फिलहाल पॉइंट्स है, यू हैव टू राइट दीज points. Okay, so let's now move on to important question, that is a economic growth versus economic development. Students, you may will get worried that here in your textbook the word is given economic progress and sir is explaining economic growth. No need to worry, the word economic progress and the economic growth are one and the same. दोनों एक ही है. यू मे गेट ट्विस्टेड इन एग्जाम ऑल्सो. आपके साथ एग्जाम में भी ऐसा ट्विस्ट हो सकता है. सो नियर टू योर टेक्स्ट बुक वर्ड प्रोग्रेस, आपके टेक्स्ट बुक पे जहाँ पे भी इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस लिखा है, यू कैन राइट इन अ ब्रैकेट इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. सो बोथ आर सेम. ओके, सी दिस पिक्चर इज सेइंग अ वेरी बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ एंड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट. इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ इज अ मॉनेटरी concept. It purely gives importance to growth or increase in income aspect, whereas economic development is a multi-dimensional process. That means only growth in income is not enough. सिर्फ पैसा बढ़ना ही जरूरी नहीं है. डेवलपमेंट कैन बी टोल्ड जब पैसे के साथ साथ लोगों की लाइफस्टाइल इंप्रूव होगी, पर कैपिटा इनकम इंप्रूव होगी, they will start enjoying better food facility, cloth facility, education, shelter, health, transportation. ये सभी की वजह से एक बेटर लाइफस्टाइल जब वो अचीव करेंगे तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि yes, it is an economic development. So let's understand the difference with the three aspects on the basis of development process according to the change taking place in economy and in relation to developed and developing economy. First, on the basis of development process. That means a development process in terms of economy, that means economic development is qualitative. As I told you, with the economic growth, you are getting only more national income. जब आपकी national income बढ़ रही है, that particular part can be called as a economic growth or economic progress. सिर्फ पैसा बढ़ना जरूरी नहीं है. इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट इज क्वालिटेटिव. विद द ग्रोथ इन नेशनल इनकम, द पीपल्स पर कैपिटा इनकम शुड इंक्रीज एंड दैट मस्ट लीड टू बेटर लाइफस्टाइल इन विच पीपल आर एंजॉइंग बेटर फूड, क्लोथिंग, एजुकेशन, हेल्थ सर्विसेज, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सर्विसेज, बेटर शेल्टर्स एटसेट्रा. इनकम बढ़ने की वजह से जब अदर फैसिलिटी भी इंप्रूव होगी उनकी और उनकी लाइफस्टाइल में एक अच्छा खासा चेंज आएगा, वी कैन टर्म इट एज अ डेवलपमेंट. सो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट इज क्वालिटेटिव इन नेचर, whereas economic growth or economic progress is just giving importance to growth in national income. Every year अगर आपकी national income बढ़ रही है, it can be simply called as a economic progress. So it is quantitative in nature. It is just giving importance to growth in numerical figures. Second aspect, so here in order to achieve the economic development, economic progress should be a priority. व्हेन यू हैव अ बेटर नेशनल इनकम, अगर आपकी नेशनल इनकम हर साल नहीं बढ़ रही है तो आप उस बढ़ती हुई इनकम की वजह से जो अच्छी लाइफस्टाइल जी पाओगे वो नहीं हो पाएगा. सो इनकम मस्ट ग्रो. पैसा अगर नहीं बढ़ेगा हमारे पास तो हमारी लाइफस्टाइल में इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं आने वाला है. सो वी कैन से दैट इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस इज प्राइमरी स्टेज और अ फर्स्ट स्टेज, and because of economic progress it will lead to economic development. So in that sense economic development is a first stage and economic progress is the stage after economic development. So moving to the second point, on the basis of development process means how quickly your economy is getting developed. Over the period of time there should be good research and development in the economy. With that growing research and development there should be better improvement in different section of the society. You can say that when new research in the economy is helping you to have more production in a different section of the economy, it is called economic development. Let's take an example, intensive farming. That means use of chemical fertilizer, better pesticides, modern equipments, or you can say hybrid seeds. These all are helping now to get more production from same piece of land. एक ही piece of land में से जो हम पहले यूज कर रहे थे but we were using a old technique, हम पहले उसमें पुरानी मेथड से एग्रीकल्चर कर रहे थे. But now because of research and development we have hybrid seeds, we have chemical fertilizers, we have modern equipments and tools for agricultural activity. उन सभी का यूज करने की वजह से now we are having a more production that can be termed as economic development. Why? Because this growth in production of agriculture goods is because of implement of modern research. Okay. And on the same side when in order to improve your production, और दूसरे साइड हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि in order to improve or grow more production you have expanded your land of cultivation. Earlier you were doing the agricultural work in a 10 hectare of land. Now to get more production you have expanded land 10 hectare more. That means now you will work on a 20 hectare of land. So what here you have done in order to get more production? Here in order to get more production you went to expansion of land. यहाँ पे आपने क्या किया है, लैंड को एक्सपांड किया है जिससे आपको ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन मिले. सो हियर इट इज़ नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ रिसर्च. अगर यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन बढ़ा तो कोई रिसर्च और डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ है, सिंपली यू हैव एक्सपांडेड द लैंड. सो दैट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस और इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. सो लेट्स सी. On the basis of new researches in an economy, increase in production is called as economic development. As I told you, with the advancement of science and technology, if you are getting more production, it is called as economic development. Example, because of research in a hybrid seeds in agriculture sector, there has been many fold increase in agriculture production. This shows economic development. Now just take an example. This is a hybrid seed packet of a tomato, Shakti tomato, and because of these hybrid seeds, the farmer is now getting a very good productions of tomato in his farm. So this is called as a economic development. On the other side, as I told you, when there is an increase in agriculture production because of increase in agricultural land, it is called as economic progress, right? As here you are giving priority to expand the size of the land. Earlier you were doing agricultural activity in a limited size farm, but now to get more production you have expanded the farm size, and that is called as a economic progress or economic growth. You should not give attention to this particular word, it was just an extra part. Third important point in relation to developed and developing nation. See students, economies of the world can be classified into majorly two groups, that is a developed economy, and second is developing economy. There is also another third term that is called as a underdeveloped economy. You can say that Africa, Afghanistan, somewhat you can say Pakistan, Bangladesh, these countries are not yet achieved a good amount of economic growth, yet they are facing a huge amount of poverty, unemployment, the natural resources are underutilized, they are considered as a underdeveloped economy. Now on the other hand, developed economy means those economy who have fully achieved employment of factor of production in their economy, they are having a very constant regular growth of national income, the people are living a very high standard of living, they are having a majority of the employment in the economy, very less number of people are suffering problem of poverty. Such a nation like America, Canada, Germany, France, Japan, these all are considered as a developed economy. On the other hand, a country like India and our neighboring country China, we are on the path of development. So we have crossed almost around 80% growth on the path of development. So we can be called as a developing economy. But since 21st century onward, India has got a new word instead of developing economy. Now in a modern world, we are considered as a emerging economy, emerging as a developed nations of the world. Over the few years span of time, आने वाले कुछ ही सालों में शायद इंडिया भी देश दुनिया की एक महासत्ता के रूप में आगे बढ़कर आएगा. एंड राइट नाउ इन दिस कोविड-19 सिचुएशन, द लीडरशिप ऑफ our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is proving a very solid priority in the entire world, right? And that is making us to feel like that. उससे हमें ये एहसास हो रहा है, we are getting that feeling that yes, in the years to come, we will be one of the developed nation of the world. So difference can be seen in both the country. Developed nation और developing nation के meaning में भी difference आप देखने पा सकते हो. Like increase in national income of a developed country is called as economic progress. See, the developed nation has reached to all the progress in their economy. Developed economy में each and every progress हो चुका होता है. So for now, it is not possible for them to expand their economy after reaching to a highest level. And because of that, if there is a growth in their national income, it can be called as a economic progress. On the same way, when there is a increase in national income of a developing country, it is called as a economic development. और वही इंक्रीज इन नेशनल इनकम अगर हमारी जैसी कंट्री लाइक इंडिया या चाइना की इकोनॉमी में देखने मिलता है, इट कैन बी कॉल्ड एज अ इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट. वाई? विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस ग्रोथ इन नेशनल इनकम, we will get a chance to improve our per capita income. Because of growth in per capita income, we'll get a chance to improve lifestyle, and finally the entire structure of the economy will get changed. That will lead to a progress. So difference is seen in both of them in relation to developed and developing nation also. And as I told, increase in national income of a developed country is called economic progress because they have achieved a particular level, and now for them it is not possible to expand their economy. So they will keep on trying to get at least a positive national income with the passage of year. हर साल जो ईयर पास आउट हो गए उसमें वो अपनी नेशनल इनकम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अचीव करने की कोशिश करेंगे. एंड when such thing is achieved by us, an increase in national income of a developing country is called economic development. Like India and China, if they are getting a good national income every year, it can be termed as economic development. क्यों? क्योंकि इसी बढ़ती हुई नेशनल इनकम के थ्रू हम अपने इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट का जो प्रोसेस है उसको आसानी से पूरा कर पाएंगे. ओके, सो दिस वाज अबाउट मीनिंग ऑफ इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट and difference between economic progress or economic growth and economic development.